The lightweight and easy-to-use TFR 330B rail drilling machine is composed of an electric engine with battery and is suitable for drilling vignole and grooved rails. The advancing lever is directly connected to the engine, and this system allows to use only the power which at that moment is necessary for the perforation, limiting the wear of the drill bit. Also, its large coolant tank allows a prolonged use of the drill bits. The quick fixing to the rail, the action of the tool completely protected, and its balanced handle with safety switch guarantee minimum effort and maximum safety for the operator. Drilling time ranges from 20 to 60 seconds, depending on the diameter of the hole and the hardness of the rail. With the machine we supply the templates for any type of rail, specifying the height of the hole, that is, from the foot to the center of the rail, and, optionally, the drilling templates. Hole locators of 4 or 6 perforations can also be supplied respectively for vignole and grooved rails. For more information, visit www.htc.co.nz.